What the actual fuck? As you guys know, I broke my engine, but what actually broke? What the actual fuck happened here? Like, this is insane. The whole valve is completely bent and the piston is also completely fucked. Those are the piston rings. They are broken. We will see if the head is also busted or not. Have to find that one out. And well, I mean, you can't really see it right now, but I think the cylinder wall is also fucked. The funny thing about that is the engine ran until it was out. I will now take out all of the other pistons and see if there is any more damage. I hope not, but we will see.